Have you ever started a new job?
Were you excited or a little nervous?
Today, you'll learn useful English for your first day at work.
Let's get started.
Good morning. Welcome to our company.
Good morning. Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
We're happy to have you on our team.
Thank you very much.
Is today your first day?
Yes, it is.
Please come with me. I'll show you around the office.
That would be great.
This is the reception area, and over there is our meeting room.
The office looks very nice.
I'm glad you like it. I'd like you to meet your team.
Nice to meet everyone.
Everyone, this is our new team member.
Welcome. It's nice to meet you.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to working with all of you.
If you need any help, just let us know.
I really appreciate that.
Where are you from?
I'm from Singapore, but I've been living here for a while.
That's wonderful. We hope you'll enjoy working here.
This is your desk.
It looks great. Thank you.
Here's your computer and your employee ID card.
Perfect. What should I do first?
Let's start by setting up your email account.
Okay.
After that, I'll show you how we manage our daily tasks.
Sounds good.
Don't worry if you have questions.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
It's lunchtime. Would you like to join us?
I'd love to.
We usually eat at the cafe across the street.
That sounds nice.
So, how are you feeling so far?
I was nervous this morning, but everyone has been so friendly.
We're happy to hear that.
I'm already feeling more comfortable.
How was your first day?
It was great. I learned many new things.
Did you enjoy meeting the team?
Yes, everyone was kind and helpful.
That's wonderful.
Thank you for making me feel welcome.
You're very welcome. We're excited to work with you.
I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Did anything funny happen today?
Yes, I accidentally walked into the wrong meeting room.
Really? What happened?
Everyone looked at me and I quickly said, "Sorry, wrong room."
Don't worry, that happens to many people.
I was so embarrassed, but everyone laughed.
At least it became a funny memory. Today, we learned useful expressions like, "Welcome to our company. It's my first day. Nice to meet you. I'm looking forward to working with you. If you need any help, let us know. Thank you for making me feel welcome."
These are useful expressions for anyone starting a new job.
Have you ever started a new job?
What was your first day like? Tell us in the comments below.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Bye.